Once the river water leaves the screening stage, it enters a stretch of piping, which first controls flow to a mixer.
This mixer allows for coagulation to occur, which is the addition of approved water treatment chemical, polyaluminum chloride.
This product is used to convert microscopic particles and other contaminants into larger and heavier particles.
Polyaluminum chloride is key to the particle removal processes of coagulation and flocculation.
It transforms the naturally occurring microscopic particles found in the water into larger particles, aka floc, that can be settled or filtered from the water.
The dosage of polyaluminum chloride added to treat the water ranges from 20 milligrams per liter to 200 milligrams per liter, depending on the river water quality.
The concentration of polyaluminum chloride remaining in the treated water is not detectable.
The use of this chemical is necessary to produce potable, quality water. Polymers, which are organic polyelectrolytes, are occasionally used in small amounts to enhance flocculation under extreme conditions, particularly in cold water when the chemical reactions can occur more slowly.
The dosage of polymers added to the water is 0.1 milligrams per liter to 1.0 milligrams per liter. The concentration of polymers remaining in the treated water is not detectable.
The use of this chemical is necessary to produce potable, quality water.
Following the mixing stage, the water flows to the clarifiers. The clarifier design looks like this.
In the center of the clarifier is a flocculation zone, where the coagulated river water is gently combined with an inventory of floc particles.
The stirring action within the flocculation zone creates the opportunity for small, coagulated particles to collide with each other, and existing floc to form larger and heavier particles, floc. Activated carbon can also be added at this point of the treatment process. The activated carbon is in the form of a fine powder that is mixed with water to create a slurry prior to being added to the flocculation zone of the clarifier.
Activated carbon absorbs organic compounds found in the water and is used as needed to control taste, odor, and color in the water. The dosage of carbon added to the water ranges from 1 milligram per liter to 15 milligrams per liter. The concentration of carbon remaining in the treated water is not detectable.
The use of this chemical is not necessary to produce potable quality water. The outside portion of the clarifier is a quiet settling zone. It is here that the floc is allowed to settle and get drawn back into the flocculation zone or discharged from the bottom of the clarifier. This settling removes the majority of the larger particles and the contaminants trapped within them from the water.
Clear, settled water is then collected across the surface of the settling zone by radial troughs and exit the clarifier at a single location.
Leaving the clarifier, chlorine is added to the water, which disinfects the water so that it is safe for drinking.
Some targets of this process are bacteria, such as E. coli and Legionella, and viruses like polio and hepatitis A, which can be found in the natural environment and threaten public health.
The dosage of chlorine added to the water is 2 milligrams per liter to 4 milligrams per liter.
The resulting concentration of chloramine in the treated water is 1.8 milligrams per liter to 2.2 milligrams per liter.
The use of this chemical is necessary to produce potable quality water.